Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Indonesian ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Blanca. Welcome to the 2000 Core Indonesian Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is kereta lokal, local train. Kereta lokal, kereta lokal, local train. Kereta lokal berhenti di setiap stasiun kecil sepanjang rutenya. The local train stops at every small station along its route. Kereta lokal berhenti di setiap stasiun kecil sepanjang rutenya. Jadwal, timetable. Jadwal, jadwal. Timetable. Waktu kedatangan dan keberangkatan ada di jadwal. Departure and arrival times are all on the timetable. Waktu kedatangan dan keberangkatan ada di jadwal. Pemeriksaan tiket. Ticket inspection. Pemeriksaan tiket. Pemeriksaan tiket. Ticket inspection. Simpan tiketmu di tempat yang mudah dicapai karena ada pemeriksaan tiket di setiap pemberhentian. Keep your ticket handy for a ticket inspection at each stop. Simpan tiketmu di tempat yang mudah dicapai karena ada pemeriksaan tiket di setiap pemberhentian. Gerbang tiket. Ticket gate. Gerbang tiket. Gerbang tiket. Ticket gate. Tunjukkan tiketmu di gerbang tiket waktu menuju kereta. Show your ticket at the ticket gate on the way to the train. Tunjukkan tiketmu di gerbang tiket waktu menuju kereta. Peron. Platform. Peron. Peron. Platform. Kereta akan berangkat dari peron nomor 5. The train leaves from the number 5 platform. Kereta akan berangkat dari peron nomor 5. Mesin tiket. Ticket machine. Mesin tiket. Mesin tiket. Ticket machine. Mesin tiketnya rusak. The ticket machine is broken. Mesin tiketnya rusak. Loket tiket. Ticket booth. Loket tiket. Loket tiket. Ticket booth. Loket tiketnya kosong. The ticket booth is empty. Loket tiketnya kosong. Mencetak. Print. Mencetak. Mencetak. Print. Mencetak dokumen. Print a document. Mencetak dokumen. Menerbitkan. Publish. Menerbitkan. Menerbitkan. Publish. Sebaiknya kita menerbitkan buku ini dalam bentuk cetakan atau melalui internet. Should we publish the new book on paper or on the internet? Sebaiknya kita menerbitkan buku ini dalam bentuk cetakan atau melalui internet. Pamflet. 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 Pamflet adalah cara yang bagus dan murah untuk menyebarkan informasi yang berharga. A pamphlet is a good, cheap way to pass out valuable information. Pamflet adalah cara yang bagus dan murah untuk menyebarkan informasi yang berharga. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Indonesian, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say local train? Kereta lokal. Kereta lokal. And how to say timetable? Jadwal. Jadwal. What about ticket inspection? Pemeriksaan tiket. Pemeriksaan tiket. Do you remember how to say ticket gate? Gerbang tiket. Gerbang tiket. Let's try platform. Peron. Peron. What about ticket machine? Mesin tiket. Mesin tiket. Now, let's see if you remember how to say ticket booth. Loket tiket. Loket tiket. Another one. What about print? Mencetak. Mencetak. Do you remember how to say publish? Menerbitkan. Menerbitkan. And finally, do you remember how to say pamphlet? Pamphlet. Pamphlet. Well done! See you next time. Selamat tinggal. Hi everybody. My name is Blanca. Welcome to the 2000 Core Indonesian Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is lobby. 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 Lobby hotel. Hotel lobby. Lobby hotel. Panggilan bangun. Wake up service. Panggilan bangun. Panggilan bangun. Wake up service. Saya minta panggilan bangun untuk jam 6 pagi. I use the wake up service to call me at 6 o'clock a.m. Saya minta panggilan bangun untuk jam 6 pagi. Sweet. 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 Saya ingin kamar yang terpisah. Jadi, saya minta kamar suite. I wanted a separate bedroom, so I asked for a suite. Saya ingin kamar yang terpisah. Jadi, saya minta kamar suite. Bersepeda. Cycling. Bersepeda. Bersepeda. Cycling. Aku lebih suka bersepeda daripada lari. I like cycling more than running. Aku lebih suka bersepeda daripada lari. Balap mobil. Auto racing. Balap mobil. Balap mobil. Auto racing. Pengemudi itu mengalami cedera waktu balap mobil. The driver was injured during the auto racing. Pengemudi itu mengalami cedera waktu balap mobil. Selotip. Scotch tape. Selotip. Selotip. Scotch tape. Selotip pas sekali untuk membungkus kado. Scotch tape is perfect for wrapping presents. Selotip pas sekali untuk membungkus kado. Lahir. Be born. Lahir. Lahir. Be born. Napoleon Bonaparte lahir tanggal 15 Agustus tahun 1769. Napoleon Bonaparte was born on August 15th, 1769. Napoleon Bonaparte lahir tanggal 15 Agustus tahun 1769. Mendapat pekerjaan. Get a job. Mendapat pekerjaan. Mendapat pekerjaan. Get a job. Setelah lulus sekolah, aku ingin segera mendapat pekerjaan. After finishing school, I want to get a job quickly. Setelah lulus sekolah, aku ingin segera mendapat pekerjaan. Meninggal. Die. Meninggal. Meninggal. Die. Meninggal karena sakit. Die of an illness. Meninggal karena sakit. Tokyo. 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 Tokyo adalah ibu kota negara Jepang. Tokyo is the capital city of the nation of Japan. Tokyo adalah ibu kota negara Jepang. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Indonesian, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say lobby? Lobby. Lobby. And how to say wake up service? Panggilan bangun. Panggilan bangun. What about sweet? Sweet. Sweet. Do you remember how to say cycling? Bersepeda. Bersepeda. Let's try auto racing. Balap mobil. Balap mobil. What about Scotch tape? Selotip. Selotip. Now, let's see if you remember how to say be born. Lahir. Lahir. Another one. What about get a job? Mendapat pekerjaan. Mendapat pekerjaan. Do you remember how to say die? Meninggal. Meninggal. And finally, do you remember how to say Tokyo? Tokyo. Tokyo. Well done. See you next time. Selamat tinggal.
Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
I'm sorry.
Maaf. Maaf.
Don't worry.
Jangan khawatir. Jangan khawatir.
It's okay.
Tidak apa-apa. Tidak apa-apa.
Please?
Tolong. Tolong.
Please forgive me.
Mohon maaf. Mohon maaf.
I really appreciate it.
Saya berterima kasih. Saya berterima kasih.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
You're welcome.
Sama-sama. Sama-sama.
Make yourself at home.
Jangan malu-malu. Jangan malu-malu.
Hello.
Halo. Halo.
Good morning.
Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi.
Goodbye.
Selamat tinggal. Selamat tinggal.
Long time no see.
Sudah lama tidak bertemu. Sudah lama tidak bertemu.
Good evening.
Selamat malam. Selamat malam.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Maaf, sudah menunggu lama. Maaf, sudah menunggu lama.
Nice to meet you.
Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Senang bertemu dengan Anda.
Really?
Oh ya? Oh ya?
What time is it?
Sekarang jam berapa? Sekarang jam berapa?
Awesome.
Bagus sekali. Bagus sekali.
I don't understand.
Saya tidak mengerti. Saya tidak mengerti.
Once again, please.
Tolong sekali lagi. Tolong sekali lagi.
Slower, please.
Tolong pelan-pelan. Tolong pelan-pelan.
It's difficult.
Ini sulit. Ini sulit.
Good afternoon.
Selamat sore. Selamat sore.
Good night.
Selamat malam. Selamat malam. How are you?
Apa kabar? Apa kabar?
How have you been?
Bagaimana keadaanmu? Bagaimana keadaanmu?
I'm good.
Baik-baik saja. Baik-baik saja.
This is for you.
Ini untukmu. Ini untukmu.
How old are you?
Berapa umurmu? Berapa umurmu?
What is it?
Apa ini? Apa ini?
What's your phone number?
Berapa nomor teleponmu? Berapa nomor teleponmu?
Where are you from?
Kamu berasal dari mana? Kamu berasal dari mana?
Where do you live?
Di mana kamu tinggal? Di mana kamu tinggal?
Delicious.
Enak. Enak.
I like it.
Saya suka ini. Saya suka ini.
I don't like it.
Saya tidak suka ini. Saya tidak suka ini.
Help.
Tolong. Tolong.
It takes about 30 minutes by train.
Itu memakan waktu 30 menit bila dengan kereta. Itu memakan waktu 30 menit bila dengan kereta.
I want a bottle of water.
Saya mau sebotol air putih. Saya mau sebotol air putih.
I live in Los Angeles.
Saya tinggal di Los Angeles. Saya tinggal di Los Angeles.
My vacation starts in 2 weeks.
Liburan saya akan dimulai dalam 2 minggu. Liburan saya akan dimulai dalam 2 minggu.
I've changed.
Saya telah berubah. Saya telah berubah.
I won't do it again.
Saya tidak akan mengulanginya lagi. Saya tidak akan mengulanginya lagi.
This weekend I'm going to the movies.
Akhir pekan ini, saya akan pergi ke bioskop. Akhir pekan ini, saya akan pergi ke bioskop.
What are you doing this weekend?
Apa rencanamu untuk akhir pekan ini? Apa rencanamu untuk akhir pekan ini?
I'll have time next week.
Saya akan ada waktu minggu depan. Saya akan ada waktu minggu depan.
I'm busy this week.
Saya sibuk minggu ini. Saya sibuk minggu ini.
Ready to start?
Siap untuk dimulai? Siap untuk dimulai?
You're handsome.
Kamu tampan. Kamu tampan.
I love you.
Aku cinta kamu. Aku cinta kamu.
In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Indonesian. Hi everybody, my name is Blanca. Welcome to the 800 Core Indonesian Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Indonesian. But there's the twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at indonesianpod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally, master Indonesian. Okay, let's get started. First is memecahkan. Break. Memecahkan. Memecahkan. Break. Aku memecahkan salah satu piring waktu mencuci piring. I broke one of my plates while washing the dishes. Aku memecahkan salah satu piring waktu mencuci piring. Luka. Cut. Luka. Luka. Cut. Anak laki-laki itu jatuh dan ada luka yang dalam di kakinya. The boy fell and has a deep cut on his leg. Anak laki-laki itu jatuh dan ada luka yang dalam di kakinya. Keseleo. Sprain. Keseleo. Keseleo. Sprain. Atlet itu pergelangan kakinya keseleo. The athlete sprained his ankle. Atlet itu pergelangan kakinya keseleo. Microwave. Microwave oven. Microwave. Microwave. Microwave oven. Peralatan dapur yang sangat memudahkan kita adalah microwave. The most convenient kitchen appliance is the microwave oven. Peralatan dapur yang sangat memudahkan kita adalah microwave. Kulkas. Refrigerator. Kulkas. Kulkas. Refrigerator. Kulkas itu penuh makanan untuk hari libur. The refrigerator is full of food for the holiday. Kulkas itu penuh makanan untuk hari libur. Penyedot debu. Vacuum cleaner. Penyedot debu. Penyedot debu. Vacuum cleaner. Pakailah penyedot debu untuk menjaga karpet tetap bersih. Use the vacuum cleaner to keep the carpets clean. Pakailah penyedot debu untuk menjaga karpet tetap bersih. Berkeringat. Sweat. Berkeringat. Berkeringat. Sweat. Wajah saya berkeringat waktu makan makanan pedas. My face sweats when I eat very spicy foods. Wajah saya berkeringat waktu makan makanan pedas. Check in. Check in. Check in. Check in. Check in. Jam berapa waktu check in? What time is check in? Jam berapa waktu check in? Nomor kamar. Room number. Nomor kamar. Nomor kamar. Room number. Nomor kamar Anda 514. Your room number is 514. Nomor kamar Anda 514. Kunci kamar. Room key. Kunci kamar. Kunci kamar. Room key. Saya kehilangan kunci kamar. I lost my room key. Saya kehilangan kunci kamar. Panggilan bangun. Wake up call. Panggilan bangun. Panggilan bangun. Wake up call. Hai, bisa saya minta panggilan bangun jam 6 kurang 5 pagi? Hi, I'd like a wake up call at 15 minutes to 6 in the morning. Hai, bisa saya minta panggilan bangun jam 6 kurang 5 pagi? Check out. Check out. Check out. Check out. Check out. Silahkan check out sebelum jam 10 pagi. Please check out before 10 a.m. Silahkan check out sebelum jam 10 pagi. Mudah. Light. Mudah. Mudah. Light. Warna muda cocok sekali pada Anda. Light colors really suit you well. Warna muda cocok sekali pada Anda. Emas. Gold. Emas. Emas. Gold. Saya ingin tas warna emas. I want a gold-colored purse. Saya ingin tas warna emas. Merah muda. Pink. Merah muda. Merah muda. Pink. Aku ingin mobil merah muda. I want a pink car. Aku ingin mobil merah muda. Perak. Silver. Perak. Perak. Silver. Warna perak kelihatan sangat dingin bagi saya. The silver color looks very cold to me. Warna perak kelihatan sangat dingin bagi saya. Beige. 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 Beige adalah warna krem pucat kekuningan. Beige is a pale cream color with a yellowish tint. Beige adalah warna krem pucat kekuningan. Raspberry. 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 Kadang-kadang ada ulat dalam raspberry. There are sometimes worms in raspberries. Kadang-kadang ada ulat dalam raspberry. Batuk. Cough. Batuk. Batuk. Cough. Saya sedang batuk. I have a cough. Saya sedang batuk. Bawang putih. Garlic. Bawang putih. Bawang putih. Garlic. Kalau kamu makan bawang putih sebelum sebuah wawancara pekerjaan, kamu akan membuat kesan yang buruk. If you eat garlic before a job interview, you will make a bad impression. Kalau kamu makan bawang putih sebelum sebuah wawancara pekerjaan, kamu akan membuat kesan yang buruk. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at indonesianpod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversations. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time! Selamat tinggal!
Halo semua, saya Vira. Hari Buruh di Indonesia diperingati pada tanggal 1 Mei. Momentum Hari Buruh di Indonesia dimanfaatkan untuk menyuarakan aspirasi buruh mengenai berbagai hal yang menyangkut kesejahteraan buruh. Dalam video kali ini, kita akan melihat peringatan Hari Buruh di Indonesia. Dunia internasional memperingati hari ini dengan libur nasional. Menurut Anda, apakah Hari Buruh di Indonesia juga hari libur? Saya akan memberitahu Anda jawabannya di akhir pelajaran ini. Sejak tahun 1920, Indonesia sudah mulai memperingati Hari Buruh ini. Akan tetapi, tradisi ini dihentikan di masa Orde Baru karena kekhawatiran adanya hubungan antara gerakan buruh dengan paham komunis yang ditabuhkan di Indonesia. Di rezim Soeharto, aksi peringatan Hari Buruh tergolong kegiatan subversif. Setelah Orde Baru berakhir, tanggal 1 Mei kembali marak dirayakan oleh buruh di berbagai kota. Sejak tahun 2006, mobilisasi massa buruh menjadi semakin besar dari tahun ke tahun pada Hari Buruh di kota-kota besar di Indonesia. Tahun 2008 di Jakarta, massa buruh mengalir dari berbagai penjuru Jakarta untuk bertemu di tengah kota. Untuk mengurangi konsentrasi massa, arus massa menuju kota terkadang harus ditahan oleh aparat hukum. Hal yang dituntut adalah jaminan sosial yang dirasakan masih berorientasi keuntungan. Saat melakukan aksinya, pawai buruh seringkali memblokir sebagian besar ruas jalan sehingga lalu lintas menjadi sangat tersendat. Menjelang tanggal 1 Mei, masyarakat umum sudah mulai mengantisipasi dampak yang bisa ditimbulkan oleh mobilisasi massa buruh dengan mempertimbangkan informasi rute pawai. Walaupun aksinya melibatkan puluhan ribu massa di berbagai kota, pawai buruh tidak berubah menjadi kerusuhan. Akan tetapi, pawai selalu menyisakan sampah yang menggunung di tempat-tempat dilakukan orasi. Nah, sekarang saya beritahu jawabannya ya. Dunia internasional memperingati hari ini dengan libur nasional. Menurut Anda, apakah Hari Buruh di Indonesia juga hari libur? Walaupun kinerja orang menjadi terganggu pada setiap aksi massal Hari Buruh, akan tetapi hingga tahun 2013, tanggal 1 Mei bukanlah hari libur nasional. Bagaimana? Apa Anda bisa menemukan hal baru yang menarik? Bagaimana peringatan Hari Buruh di negara Anda? Apakah kegiatan-kegiatan yang aman terkendali? Silakan tinggalkan komentar Anda di indonesianpod101.com. Sampai jumpa di pelajaran berikutnya.
Want to transform your driving time into language learning time? How much time do you spend in your car every day? 30 minutes? More than an hour? Why not put this huge amount of time to good use? Instead of just listening to the radio during your daily commute, you could be learning a new language instead. Here are 3 easy methods for learning a language in your car. You can put them to use right away with the help of our language learning program. First, you can listen to fun audio lessons by real teachers. Listening to lessons while in the car allows you to focus on the road as you listen and learn. In every one of our 3 to 15-minute lessons, our teachers teach you conversations, new phrases, and cultural points. Audio is the only learning medium that lets you learn and drive safely at the same time, so take advantage of all our audio lessons available. Second, you can set your lessons on autoplay and go hands-free. Our autoplay feature lets you keep your hands on the wheel without even reaching for your device. Just set your lessons to autoplay one by one with our Innovative Language 101 app, and never have to interrupt your focus on driving to switch to a new lesson. Third, you can repeat out loud and speak from your very first lesson. You want to speak a new language too, right? Well, you'll start learning conversations minutes into your lessons. All you have to do is listen and repeat out loud. Our teachers take you step by step through all of the words, phrases, translations, and grammar points. You're even prompted to speak out loud and repeat. The result? You understand it all and can speak your new language. Turn your commute into language learning time and have fun at the same time. Learning doesn't have to be a big commitment, like signing up for a college class. It can be fun and easy. In fact, it's as easy as pressing play. Our language learning programs will do the work for you. And with the exposure you get while driving on your daily commute, you'll be speaking and understanding real-life language quickly. The best part? You can finally learn without even changing your schedule. So if you're ready to finally learn a new language the fast, fun, and easy way, sign up for your free lifetime account by clicking on the link in the description. Signing up takes less than 30 seconds, and you'll start speaking from your very first lesson. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share the video with anyone who's trying to learn a new language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Halo semuanya, nama saya Vira. Hi everybody, I'm Vira. Welcome to indonesianpod101.com's Bahasa Indonesia dalam 3 menit. The fastest, easiest, and the most fun way to learn Indonesian. In the last lesson, we learned some words used when apologizing in Indonesian, including permisi and maaf. In this lesson, we're going to learn numbers in Indonesian. Yes, numbers, nomor, from 1 to 10. And you're going to learn them in only 3 minutes, 3 menit. Are you ready? Let's start. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay, now repeat after me. I'll say the numbers and give you time to repeat each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! What is before 1? Do you know? Nol. Nol. You don't have any more excuses. You can give your friends your cell phone number in Indonesian. Let's try together. We'll use the phrase nomor telepon saya, which means my phone number is nomor telepon saya. Nomor telepon saya 0815 1274 3968. Can you read it by yourself? 0815 1274 3968. Perfect! Now it's time for Vira's Insights. When you go to the bank in Indonesia, you sometimes have to stand in line with a number. When it's your turn to check out, they will scream nomor 1, nomor 10, and so on. Learn your numbers well so you can be ready. Do you know the Indonesian word for 100? In the next lesson, we are going to learn the numbers from 11 and above in Indonesian. Your task now is to practice the numbers we studied in this lesson, from 1 to 10. Sampai jumpa lagi! Halo semuanya, nama saya Vira. Hi everybody, I'm Vira. Welcome to IndonesianPod101.com's Bahasa Indonesia dalam 3 menit. The fastest, easiest, and the most fun way to learn Indonesian. In the last lesson, we learned the numbers from 1 to 10. Have you forgotten? Here, I'll tell you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, let's continue from 11. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and finally we have 20, 20. Okay, now repeat after me. I'll say the numbers and give you time to repeat each one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These numbers may seem harder to remember, but 12 to 19 are just made up of the numbers we learned from the last lesson. And the word belas, tens. 2, 2. 12, 12. But for 11, we use the prefix se instead of satu, then add the word belas at the end, 11. For 20 or 20, we add puluh at the end of the number 2. Remember what 10 was in Indonesian? 10. Let's not stop at 20. Counting to 100 is super easy. Now I'll give you the tens. 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. What happens after 100 or 100? There is 1000 for 1000, 10.000 for 10,000, 100.000 for 100,000, and finally, we have 1 juta for 1 million. The last thing to learn in this lesson is how to form compound numbers above 20. This is also super easy. Take the tens and simply add the numbers you learned in the previous lesson. Let's try it out. How would you say 56 in Indonesian? Let's take it step by step. 50 is 50, and then add 6, 6. 56. It's done! Isn't that easy? Let's try a slightly harder number. For instance, 250,000. Take 200, 200, next, 50, 50, and add 1,000, 1,000. 250,000. After only 2 lessons, you are now able to count up to 1 million in Indonesian. In the next lesson, we're going to put your number knowledge to use. Do you have all the skills you need to go shopping in Indonesia? If not, I'll be waiting for you in our next Bahasa Indonesia dalam 3 menit lesson. Sampai jumpa! Halo semuanya, nama saya Vira. Hi everybody, I'm Vira. Welcome to IndonesianPod101.com's Bahasa Indonesia dalam 3 menit. The fastest, easiest, and the most fun way to learn Indonesian. In the last lesson, we learned how to count in Indonesian. I hope you spent some time practicing the numbers, because they will come in handy in this lesson. We're going to learn how to go shopping in Indonesia. Before we go, you need to know how to say, how much is it? Ini berapa harganya? Ini berapa harganya? Are you ready to go shopping in Indonesia? Let's go! You see something you like and want to ask the shopkeeper how much it costs. The first thing to say is, permisi. Do you remember what that means? Excuse me. Permisi, ini berapa harganya? Permisi, ini berapa harganya? If you want to be more specific when asking how much is this and refer to a certain type of object, we need to put the noun in front of the question. For example, hat is topi. Permisi, topi ini berapa harganya? Excuse me, how much is this hat? Permisi, topi ini berapa harganya? And sandal is sendal. Permisi, sendal ini berapa harganya? Excuse me, how much are these sandals? Permisi, sendal ini berapa harganya? At this point, the shopkeeper can answer by saying, ini harganya, or yang ini, and then the price. For example, ini harganya Rp30.000, or yang ini Rp30.000. What number is 30.000? I'm not telling you. Okay, it's 30,000. It costs 30,000 rupiahs. Now, it's time for Vira's Insights. A quick way to ask how much is berapa. For example, when you want a coffee or kopi at a coffee shop, you can ask the cashier, pesan kopi dong, berapa? One coffee please. How much is it? At this point, can you count rupiahs in Indonesian? We are going to learn how to do this and much more in the next lesson. I'll be waiting for you in our next Bahasa Indonesia dalam 3 menit lesson. Sampai jumpa! Halo semuanya, nama saya Vira. Hi everybody, I'm Vira. Welcome to IndonesianPod101.com's Bahasa Indonesia dalam 3 menit. The fastest, easiest, and the most fun way to learn Indonesian. In the last lesson, we learned the phrase, ini berapa harganya? Which means, how much is it? In this lesson, let's see how we could answer that question by counting rupiah in Indonesian. In Indonesia, the currency is the rupiah. Please pay attention to this word's pronunciation. Rupiah. Let's try to say prices in Indonesian. Start by trying to say 150,000 rupiah. 150.000 rupiah. 150.000 rupiah. 100 is 100. 50 is 50. 1000 is 1000. And rupiah is the Indonesian currency. This is really straightforward. First, we say the number of rupiah, then rupiah. Let's try another example. 345,000 rupiah. 345.000 rupiah. 345.000 rupiah. Here's one more. 999,900 rupiah. 999.900 rupiah. 999.900 rupiah. That takes a lot of effort to say, doesn't it? But you can leave out the word rupiah when saying prices. It's still long, but it's a little better, right? Now, it's time for Vira's Insights. The rupiah has been the Indonesian currency since 1946. Informally, in Indonesia, we use the word perak when referring to rupiah. The word rupiah derived from rupee, which is the unit of currency in India. So, please be careful because some people get confused by this. You should ask your friends in Indonesia if they want to go shopping with you to practice these phrases. But first, you'll have to check if they have other plans or not. Do you know how to ask that in Indonesia? If not, I'll see you in the next lesson. Sampai jumpa! Halo semuanya, nama saya Vira. Hi everybody, I'm Vira. Welcome to IndonesianPod101.com's Bahasa Indonesia dalam 3 menit. The fastest, easiest, and the most fun way to learn Indonesian. In the last lesson, we learned how to count rupiah. Did you practice at home? In this lesson, we're going to learn other useful tips to talk about your schedule. For example, if your friend asks you, what are you doing this weekend? Let's start. To ask a friend or someone you already know, you say, akhir minggu, rencananya ngapain? Akhir minggu, rencananya Ngapain? Let's break it down. Akhir minggu is end of the week. Rencananya is the plan. And ngapain means doing what? Akhir minggu rencananya ngapain? If you want to ask the same question in a formal way, it's apa rencana kamu akhir pekan ini? Apa is what? Rencana is plan. Kamu is one of the formal ways to say you. Akhir pekan is the formal version of weekend. And ini means this. Apa rencana kamu akhir pekan ini? Apa rencana kamu akhir pekan ini? What if you're not asking about this weekend? Asking about a different time period is easy. Tomorrow is besok. So you can also say, apa rencana kamu besok? Which means, what are you doing tomorrow? Or, you could also use a weekday like Senin, Monday, or Minggu, Sunday. But you have to add the word hari, which means day. So it will be, apa rencana kamu hari Senin? Apa rencana kamu hari Minggu? So now, if someone asks you, apa rencana kamu besok? Or, what are you doing tomorrow? How can you answer? Here's an example. Saya besok pergi ke kantor. I'm going to the office tomorrow. Saya means I. Besok means tomorrow. Pergi means going. And ke kantor means to the office. Feel free to replace office with any other location. Now, it's time for Vira's Insights. Even though you will hear the word ngapain in Indonesia, it is a slang word that originated from Jakarta. Ngapain is formed from the word apa, which means what. But in some situations, it can mean what do you do, why, and what for. It's really a handy word to learn. But please be careful in using this word since sometimes it has negative connotations. In this lesson, we learn how to talk about your schedule. Next time, we are going to learn how to tell people your nationality. I'll be waiting for you in the next Bahasa Indonesia dalam 3 menit. Sampai jumpa lagi!
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Indonesian ebook before it's gone.